Imagine this. One single YouTube video makes more than $10,000. No face, no team, no complicated setup. Sounds like a joke, right? But it's not a joke, it's real. This channel is just 5 months old. It only uploads simple whiteboard sketch style videos, and it has already crossed 80,000 subscribers. And the views? Not small numbers. We're talking thousands and even millions of views consistently. Now, here's the part that really surprises people. The entire channel is AI based. Right now, the owner is running it almost on autopilot and earning passive income. This is what people call YouTube automation using AI. So stay with me till the end of this video because I'm gonna show you step by step how you can use the same type of AI tools to create these videos and start your own faceless YouTube automation channel from scratch. No confusion, no complicated setup. Let's begin. The first thing you need to decide is your niche. And honestly, this is the most important step. If your niche is weak, nothing else will save the channel. So go to YouTube and start watching videos in this style. When you watch a few of them, YouTube's algorithm will begin recommending similar channels. That's exactly what we want. You'll quickly discover multiple channels in the same category, and you can study them. Not to copy blindly, but to understand what is working, what topics get views, and what type of titles attract clicks. Now let's break down this specific channel. Its niche is survival and preparedness. It's slightly unique, not too saturated, and that's one big reason it's growing fast. Instead of guessing, we'll let AI analyze it for us. So copy a few of its most popular video titles and go to ChatGPT. Then type this prompt. Hi, I'm sharing a few YouTube video titles with you that have millions of views, and these videos are made using whiteboard animation. Please tell me which niche these belong to and how I can create a similar type of channel in my own way. Or suggest another niche where I can achieve success faster. Then hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will break down the niche for you and explain why these videos are performing well. It will also suggest video ideas in the same category. This saves hours of manual research. And if you want even more ideas, simply type, "Give me 30 video ideas in this niche that are highly clickable and curiosity-driven." Just like that, you'll get a full list of strong video concepts. And don't think these are random suggestions. Good prompts generate well-structured, curiosity-based titles that are designed to attract clicks and trigger interest. That's the key. Now from those ideas, I'll pick one topic: how to survive a winter blackout when the power grid is dead. It sounds urgent, emotional, and practical, perfect for this niche. Next, we move to Golpo AI. You'll find the link in the description. I've talked about this tool before because it's one of the strongest whiteboard animation AI tools available right now. After the release of Golpo 2.0, it became even more advanced in terms of visuals, templates, and script accuracy. Here, I'll simply paste the title. You can paste only a title like I'm doing, or you can give detailed instructions about your topic, your angle, and your style. You can even write instructions in your own language. If you already have a script, there's a script mode option where you can paste it directly. And if you want to use your own voice, you can upload recorded audio or record it inside the platform. But for now, let's test its power using only the title. After pasting the title, you'll see two main options: Golpo 2.0 and Golpo Sketch. Golpo Sketch creates clean, minimal whiteboard-style visuals, simple and classic. But Golpo 2.0 offers newer templates and more dynamic animation styles. These templates are designed differently depending on whether your content is educational, storytelling-based, or informative. So instead of looking basic, your video can actually feel modern and premium. I'm selecting Golpo 2.0. Now comes an important step: voice and video instructions. This part is optional, but skipping it is a mistake. If you want your video to match your exact style, maybe a calm tone, maybe dramatic pacing, maybe specific instructions like add charts when explaining statistics, you should mention it here. These small instructions seriously improve the final output. I'll add both voice and visual instructions. Then make sure to tick the option that says edit script before creating video. This is very important because you should always review the script before final generation. AI is powerful, but adding your human touch makes the content stronger. Next, choose background music that matches your niche. For survival content, something slightly dramatic works well. Then select the video duration. You can create videos up to 10 minutes long, which gives you enough space to deliver value and increase watch time. Now choose your voiceover. By default, there are a few built-in voices, but here's where it gets interesting. You can clone your own voice. And not just that, if you like a specific voice style from platforms like 11 Labs, you can record a sample and upload it to create a similar cloned version for your videos. I'll explain voice cloning fully in a moment, so stay with me. For now, I'll select a male voice. Set orientation to horizontal. Keep the language as English, although Golpo 2.0 supports more than 40 languages, so you're not limited at all. Then choose your video style. There are multiple new styles available. I'll select a chalkboard color theme for this example. Now click Generate Script. Script generation can take a few minutes depending on length. Once it's ready, read it carefully. Adjust any lines that feel robotic. Add small emotional touches if needed, or regenerate it if you're not satisfied. Never skip this review step. If everything looks good, click Generate Video. The rendering process usually takes around 15 to 20 minutes. While it's processing, you can start researching your next topic. That's how you scale faster. All right, the video is ready. Let's see the result.
When people think about a power outage, they usually imagine a few dark hours, maybe spoiled food, and then things coming back on. A winter blackout, when the grid is actually down, is a very different animal. In this situation, heat often fails completely. Water pressure can drop or disappear. Roads may be impassable, and help may not arrive for days. Every winter, people die, not because they panic, but because they improvise heat, underestimate cold, or...
This looks impressive. The timing between voice and visuals is aligned properly. The graphs appear exactly when needed. The scene transitions feel smooth. The dark background combined with colorful text and charts gives it a clean and professional appearance. If we compare this with the original channel we studied earlier, this version actually looks more polished. That's the power of using updated AI tools correctly. Now let's quickly talk about voice cloning. Go to the voice clone section and upload a sample of your voice. You can record directly inside the tool if you want. Enter a name for your voice and click Create Voice Clone. Within seconds, your clone voice will appear in your voice library. Now repeat the same steps. Generate the script, then generate the video, but this time select your cloned voice. Let's check the results. Most people think a winter blackout just means no lights. That's wrong. Most people who die in winter outages don't die from hunger. They die from cold or from carbon monoxide. When the grid goes down in winter, heat stops, water pumps may fail, cell service can drop, gas stations may not work. And you can hear that the tone and style match my natural voice. This makes the content feel more personal and branded, even though it's still a faceless channel. And that's powerful. You get automation with identity. So this is how you can create professional whiteboard animation videos and build a faceless channel efficiently. Now, quick talk about pricing, because this part really changes how you see this tool. Most people don't realize this, but traditional whiteboard animation typically costs anywhere between $1,000 to $5,000 plus for just 1 minute of video if you hire professionals. And that's not even counting revisions, delays, and the back and forth with editors and voice artists. Now, compare that with Golpo. The growth plan is $199 per month and gives you 150 minutes of color video. That's already insane value if you're just getting started. But the real power is in the business plan. For $499 per month, you get 390 minutes of video, plus advanced features like editing videos frame by frame just by typing prompts, generating videos from your own audio or uploaded videos, cloning voices, inserting your own images, recording screens for product demos, and giving cinematic instructions so Golpo understands exactly how you want your video to look. Think about it. One single professionally made whiteboard animation video can easily cost you more than an entire month of Golpo's business plan. Here, you can create dozens of videos in minutes without any technical skills, without a team, and without paying anyone per video. So yeah, Golpo might sound expensive at first, but when you compare it with real-world production costs, it's honestly one of the most cost-effective solutions out there right now. And at this moment, there's no other single AI tool that can replace an entire production team like this. So please try Golpo AI. The unique link is in the description below.